In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to optimize your blog for search engine optimization, or SEO on Wix. The first thing you need to do is navigate to your Wix dashboard and locate the SEO section. Once there, initiate the SEO setup checklist. Doing this step will guide you in aligning your blog's SEO goals. The next part involves providing your business name and relevant keywords that succinctly highlight the content of your blog. Remember, choosing the right set of keywords is vital in this process, as they will greatly determine the visibility of your blog to your intended audience. Up next, it's time to connect your site to a custom domain if you haven't done so already. Pairing this step with the connection to Google Search Console will ensure efficiency in the how search engines crawl and index your site, paving the way for a greater SEO standing. The next phase of our tutorial is to optimize your individual blog posts. From your main blog dashboard, cherry-pick the post that needs editing and navigate to the SEO settings under the Settings tab. This is where you will fashion your SEO title and meta description. Making sure that they are attractive and include your target keywords will maximize the click-through rates and will enhance the search presence of your posts. Then, you are advised to ensure that the URL slug for your blog post is concise, keyword-rich, and illustratively portrays the content of your post. Utilize the preview function to see how the post will appear in search results. And when satisfied, click Save and Publish to finalize your SEO adjustments. Finally, let's dive into the content optimization, a crucial part of the SEO process. Firstly, making good use of your keywords is crucial. They should be naturally incorporated into your post title, introductory, and main body content. Furthermore, being mindful to avoid keyword stuffing is key to prevent search engines penalties. Content structure is the second point on this list. It involves the orchestration of contents under appropriate headings and subheadings. By organizing the mechanics of your post coherently, readability for followers and simpler interpretation for search engines are made possible. To make your images SEO-friendly, add detailed descriptions containing relevant keywords in the alt text field. This step facilitates search engines in understanding and indexing your images properly. Lastly, increase the value of your content and its SEO ranking by including links to other relevant posts on your blog. Taking this action spurs reader engagement and provides search engines with more of your content to index. In conclusion, practicing the optimizations highlighted in this tutorial will set your Wix blog on a transformational journey to effective SEO visibility.